Auto Garage മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. bs6 എഞ്ചിൻ അസംബ്ലി ചെയ്യുന്ന അഞ്ചാമത്തെ പാർട്ട് വീഡിയോ ആണ്. ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്ന പുതിയ കൂട്ടുകാർ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്തു വെക്കുക.
Flywheel Assembly. Before assembly, clean keyway surface on crankshaft towards flywheel side. Before assembly, clean keyway slot on flywheel with cotton. Assemble flywheel on crankshaft by matching keyway slot on flywheel with key on crankshaft. Ensure keyway on flywheel and key on crankshaft gets matched properly. Place flywheel bolt washer with chamfer facing away from flywheel. Hold the flywheel using special tool. Apply torque of 17 kgm to flywheel bolt. Apply paint mark for torque confirmation on bolt. Fix the flywheel pulley on flywheel using 3M8 bolts with 10mm socket spanner. Apply torque of 1.2 kg/m using torque wrench. Crankshaft end plate checking. Fix the dial gauge indicator on magnetic stand, and fix it with engine fixture. Make sure magnetic stand is firmly fixed with engine fixture. Flywheel should be on end. Push the flywheel and set it towards back end. Adjust it such a way that dial gauge have preload of 2mm. Set oil indicator to 0 position by rotating. Very carefully pull flywheel by hand. Make sure fixture do not move. Take the reading from dial gauge indicator. Take multiple reading by doing same procedure. To be sure, remember that crankshaft end play should be between 0.10 to 0.40mm. Water pump assembly. Assemble O-ring on water pump mounting face and assemble 2 nose of hollow dowel on barrel mounting face. Assemble water pump assembly on barrel, and tighten it with 3 flange bolts with 8mm T-spanner. Apply 2.5 kgm torque. High pressure pump assembly. Only remove HP pump at the time of assembly. Insert the HP pump as shown in video and assemble HP pump mounting flange on HPP. Tighten the 4-flange nut with 10mm socket spanner diagonally. Apply 1.2 kg torque. Fix the protective cap on HP pump. Fuel distribution block. Assemble the FDB on cylinder head by tightening 2 flange nuts. Apply torque of 1.2 kg/meter. Make sure protective cap is fitted. Glow plug. Insert the glow plug. And tighten it with 8mm deep socket spanner. A torque of 1.2 kg/meter using torque wrench. Coolant temperature sensor. Assembly the coolant temperature sensor and washer with special tool. Apply torque of 2 kg using torque wrench. Intake manifold. Assemble intake manifold with new gasket on cylinder head. Fix 2 Allen bolts with washer. And tighten with 6mm Allen key. Apply torque of 2.5 kg. Exhaust manifold. Assemble gasket and exhaust manifold with 3 nuts with washer. Tighten it with 13mm socket spanner. Apply torque of 2.5 kg using torque wrench. Thermostat assembly. Insert thermostat in the cylinder head housing. Make sure to use recommended thermostat only. Insert the housing and tighten 3 flange nuts with 10mm socket spanner. Apply torque of 2 kg using torque wrench. Assemble EGR valve support bracket on EGR valve and cylinder barrel with 2 flange bolts of 8mm size. Hand tight with 10mm socket spanner, and apply torque of 2.5 kgm. Fix EGR valve support bracket on EGR valve and thermostat hosing with flange bolt. Hand tight with 10mm spiket spanner and 13mm ring spanner. Fix EGR valve support bracket on EGR valve and cylinder barrel with flange bolt. Hand tight with 10mm socket spanner. EGR Hot Pipe Assembly. Assemble EGR hot pipe with gasket. Fix EGR hot pipe with EGR valve with 3 flange bolts. Hand tight with 10mm socket spanner. Assemble gasket between EGR hot end pipe and exhaust manifold. Assemble EGR hot end pipe on exhaust manifold with 2 0.s of flange bolt. Tighten them with 10mm socket spanner. EGR cold pipe assembly. Fix gasket between EGR cooler and EGR pipe, and fix with 2 0.s of flange bolts. Fix gasket between intake manifold and EGR cooler pipe. Fix 2 flange bolts. Fix 2 flange bolts between EGR cooler pipe support bracket and cylinder head. Fix all the bolts simultaneously using 10mm socket spanner.